Obviously, it's raining a little bit. Hopefully, they still go out. It's supposed to go out at 9:30 p.m. tonight. Hi, Lisa Bellucci from downtown Springfield, where the fireworks are still on schedule at 9:25, 9:30. They are going up. It is a little bit drizzly, but the rain is hold off. Hopefully, they'll hold off the whole interpretation of the God show.
Very good.
Okay.
Are they alright?
Yeah, love it.
Adequate?
No need, no
That was pretty good.
Yeah.
Live.
Live. Lisa Bellucci, live broadcasting at what time it is, I don't know, but you know, I'm still waiting for the grand finale. That ain't done yet. If it is, bullshit.
I think that was a grand finale.
It can't be.
Yeah.
It can be.
All right.
This is Lisa Bellucci live from downtown Springfield at 9:46 p.m. with the fireworks that just had their grand finale. It was a phenomenal arrangement. And hopefully next year will be better.